Hello everyone, I am Rityunjay Sharma on behalf of College Dunia. Welcome you all to this new episode of Thoughtful Leaders named as Thoughts on Education, an initiative by collegedunia.com. And today I have with me some special guests, Mrs. Priyanka Jitendra Godra ma'am, Chairman and Managing Director of SLBS Engineering College. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm very fine, ma'am. I will just start up with a brief introduction, ma'am. Priyanka Jitendra
Yeah.
Godra is Chairman and Managing Director of SLBS Education Group, President of Rajasthan Nursing School and College Federation, and Standard Member in BARC Bhabha Atomic Research Center. That's great from your side, ma'am. I will just start up with the questions. Ma'am, my first
Okay.
question to you is: you have long association in education field throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector, ma'am?
First of all, I want to say this is we have started the institution in 2001, and it was started by my husband, and it was his dream to educate the rural area. The students comes from the rural area. He tried to provide them the technical education, uh, good technical education in the field of his nearby his village or the where he resides. So their factors are depend on it, and really his motive also touch me now. So I have now opportunity or I have the chance to get fulfill my dreams, and I have been doing so same things with him, and I hope we will be succeed in our motives.
That's great from your side, ma'am. Ma'am, being the chairman and managing director of SLBS College, what is your philosophy of leadership, ma'am? Means how would you describe your leadership style?
I always believe in the dedication, the hard work, and discipline in the life. These are the key words in any field which you have to be do the works. And I try to achieve all these things which we have giving the better education to our students. And we also try that our students which educate with us or they are with us, they get the best opportunities in their life or in the services. As a leader, I feel that my responsibility to empower my students through the quality education to realize their true potentials.
That's great from your side, ma'am. Ma'am, with the competition going so high, means how do you guide your students to survive in such a competitive scenario, ma'am?
Well, we all organize a different type of culture activities or the different types of everything that we try to do, which can educate the children more properly and give their perfection in their fields. So it is our responsibility being as a chairman of the college. I mean, it will be the best thing that we have teach our students in every field of there. It will be cultural activities in the sports activities we do. We also do the social camps because we are having the hospitals also with us, Ayurveda hospital. So we try to do best, and it is technical feast. We have do the inter-college functions are also organized from the time to time, and the functions which are coming throughout the years. We also try to do the best. We want to try to touch each and everything that it could be helpful for the children for their all over developments.
Ma'am, that's great from your side. Means the apart from academics, the college is so importantly focusing on all the skill development and all the overall development of students, ma'am. Ma'am, what do you think, as per yourself, that what are your role and responsibility to the university and to the students are?
Having the years of the hurdles and obstacles which are reached the determination through the SBS education group. We are offering the value-based quality education. We have engaged a milestone in the field of the technical education. The big way of starting are the various colleges in the uh, entered in technical education in engineering college. Our infrastructure of human capital is also a society are positive for providing best education too. Quality always have been the trust of the society, and it has have been proved from time to time to generate the social recognitions in the form of the various awards. Uh, in the given the current shift in global workplace, we have created our curriculum that is comparable and globally accepted. We have 22 certified courses. I would like to share some of them. In 2001, we have initiated a very first course. That is called the GNM, and it is nowadays it is very important in the COVID-like situations. The students are served in different types of aims, and every time all over the India they are doing such jobs. And secondly, we have started the B.Ed in 2005, and 2006 we have started the B.Ed colleges in all over the Rajasthan, that Jaipur, Jodhpur, Mehta, Pali, and the Jhalamand also. We are having a B.Ed colleges through that. And in 2008 we have started the GNM nursing colleges, which is also a BSc nursing. The AIMS students are educated students can place in the AIMS. And in 2008, we have also started the technically engineering college, which was the dream of the Sir Jitendra Godara, that he want to do a technical education in the field of nearby his village, so that student does not want to go the Bangalore, Delhi, or other places. Because of the financial position, they could not afford the city. Where should be they go and study and to decide for the 4 year, at least 4 to 5 years. So it was his dream that I will give my society to the best education by nearby the houses. And in 2015 and 16, he started the D Pharmacy courses, the 2 year diploma. And 2018, we have started the yoga and naturopathy colleges. So, because nowadays it is the most important need of that we have to back to our the Ayurved roots. So we have doing, I think it is our second batch we are having. And in this field, we are trying our best that we could cure the person with an Ayurved, etc.
That's great from your side. Means I can analyze that how much dedication you are giving towards the college, and I think I can analyze from your talks that the college is so much beneficial for the students who are economically weak. Means that just touches your aim, that which you have, means the aim which you you begin in the starting, and it is great from your side, ma'am. Ma'am, any suggestions would you like to give to the aspiring youth in these tough times, and or to the students who are just about to join your college, ma'am?
I want to say the students to choose their college according to choices. I don't say that you have to come and join us, because they have the choice. Most with the various choice they are having in this time, they have very choice of their in their career making. But I promise them to come to us, and we will help you in structure building of your own academic. We are doing our best, and other activities we are doing best, and also in other ways we help our students to being a good ideal person for their life. And I think it is the most important thing in this time. The person they need, they have to made a value based persons for the society. So education is just a part of our life, and we have to build our that we can, if we are doing any one course, but it is necessary for him to build a like a good person to the society. To as a being in any profession you go, it is your choice, but being a good person and good educated person will be educate the society, and society will be being a good nation for our country.
That's great, ma'am. What are some of the biggest challenges you see, both for higher education in general and for SLBS college specifically? What challenges you see, ma'am?
Nowadays we are facing some things, because of as a being a COVID, now we are all are facing, but it is a most challenging accept aspect for all that still in many parts of the world that education is not prevalent for the students, especially in the rural areas in India. To overcome this we have decided to start the institute to make the people understand the importance of higher education, provide them with the best knowledge, and make their family and institution proud as they achieve best in their lives. And we will be blessed when our alumni will be reflect our institution name across the world, while by the country hard work, smart work, and the creative ideas. And when they say we are the SLBians, we have the proud of them.
That's great from your side. It was a very positive and healthy interaction with you. And the students who will be just looking for your college will now have a more clear and vast idea about the college, and they can now just join the college. And thank you so much for your valuable time, ma'am. It was a very positive and healthy interaction with you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks a lot for being making with you. So thanks a lot you also.
Thank you, ma'am.